oriented, so if there's some future oriented threat, you're getting married in a week, you've got an exam in a couple of weeks, those are experiences that might trigger anxiety. So anxiety kind of looks like this. When we're anxious, we're dwelling on something that's going to happen in the future. And the function of anxiety is to prepare us for that future threat. So we may, for example, do things to prepare for what's coming up. We might study for an exam, for example, as a response to anxiety. So it's typically an aversive emotion. We don't like to feel anxious, so we do things to reduce that anxiety. Fear, this is a definition of fear, it's an emotional response to perceived imminent threat or danger associated with urges to flee or fight. So this is often referred to as a fight or flight response. So if anxiety looks like this, fear looks like this. So with fear, there's again, an immediate threat. Somebody is trying to stab us in the shower, or there's a bear chasing us, or we're about to get into a car accident. You might be in the middle of a presentation, you lose your train of thought. It feels like something horrible is about to happen now. A lot of people think that fear is just more intense than anxiety, but it's different than anxiety. It's actually caused by different neurotransmitters. So with fear, norepinephrine is the neurotransmitter that's involved, whereas with anxiety, it's gamma aminobutyric acid, GABA, that mediates the anxiety response. They do often go hand in hand. So people may have anticipatory anxiety in advance of some threatening situation. And then when the threatening situation actually happens, they're giving a presentation, they might experience a panic attack. So I would think of a panic attack as the emotion of fear, and the anxiety that might be leading up to the event as the anxiety piece of it. Worry, this is a definition of worry. It's unpleasant or uncomfortable thoughts that cannot be consciously controlled by trying to turn attention to other subjects. So worry is the cognitive component of anxiety. When we're anxious about something in the future, we may engage in worry about that.